drowning in paperwork and wishing you could just send a fax from your phone. Good news, if you're a DocuSign user, you absolutely can. This video will show you exactly how to fax from DocuSign on your iPhone in just a few easy steps. First, open the DocuSign app on your iPhone. Once you're in, look at the bottom navigation bar and tap the blue plus sign. This is your Create button. A menu will pop up. Select Send an envelope from the list of options. Next, you will need to add your file. Tap the Use Device Storage option. This will open your iPhone's files. Navigate to the document you want to fax. This could be a PDF, a photo, or any other supported file type. Tap to select your file. Once the file is uploaded, you will be brought to the envelope details screen. Now tap on the Add Recipients section to add who you would like to receive your document. Next, where you would normally add an email address to send for signatures, simply type in the fax number you are sending to, followed by @Fax In Docusign. For example, if the fax number is 5,551,234,567, you would enter 5551234567 at Fax In Docusign. Make sure you set the action to Needs to View. After adding the recipient, review your envelope details one last time to ensure everything is correct. Then, tap the Send button in the top right corner of the screen. And that's it. DocuSign will process your document and send it as a fax. You should receive a confirmation email once the fax has been successfully sent, and a notification if the fax failed. Now you can ditch the fax machine and send faxes easily from your iPhone.